Look at the question. We have to find out something that is not true regarding long form of periodic table. The first statement given, it reflects the sequence of filling the electrons in order of sub-energy level SPDF. Okay, the sequence of filling they are telling is SPDF. If I'll write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, after PS is filled, right, what is the sequence followed? The statement A is wrong, so it is not true statement, so this is the right answer. Let's see option B, C, D also. It helps to predict the stable valency states of the elements. You know that in the long form of periodic table, elements are arranged on the basis of atomic number in such a way that the elements which are falling under the same group, they will be having a same valence electrons. Like if you look at the group 1, Linane key, all these have the one valence electron. So that is what they are saying. So right statement cannot be the right answer. Look at what is given at C. It reflects the trend in physical and chemical properties of elements. Yes, we know the definition of the modern periodic law. It states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. Yes, it reflects trends in the physical and chemical properties of the elements. The right statement's wrong answer. Option D. It helpful to predict the relative ionicity of the bond between any two elements. Right statement. I'll tell you why. If you take group 1 and group 17 element, I know group 1 is too large and group 17 is less. If you talk about group 2 and group 17, I know in compared to group 1 atom, group 2 is little smaller and group 17 of course it is small. I know that it is readily loses electron and it readily gains electron. So highly positive, highly negative. So ionic bond between group 1 and group 17 element is high. If you look at the group 2 and group 17, because size become little smaller, it cannot readily lose electron, but it readily gains electron. So you are saying that losing electron is become little less, so less positive, less negative, so ionic bond extent becomes less over here. So as you move like group 13, 14, 15, so you know that size becomes still lesser and lesser. So distance between the nucleus and electron become less and lesser. Attraction become more and more. Removing electron becomes difficult and more difficult. When there is no electron removal, no electron gain. So ionic character between the two elements bond becomes less. That's the reason why as you move like this, the covalent character becomes more, ionic character becomes less. So the statement given at option D is absolutely right, means it cannot be the answer. So option A here is the right answer.